In this video, I am going to show you how to fix the issue of Tesla Autosteer temporarily unavailable in your Model 3, Model Y, Model S, or other Tesla models. If you're seeing this message on your screen, here's what you can do to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Start by ensuring you're driving in conditions where Autosteer is supported. Autosteer requires clear lane markings, sufficient lighting, and appropriate road conditions. If the road markings are faded, covered by snow, or non-existent, Autosteer may not engage. Similarly, heavy rain, fog, or glare can interfere with the cameras and sensors. Next, clean the cameras and sensors located around your vehicle. Dirt, debris, ice, or damage to these components can prevent Autosteer from functioning properly. Use a soft cloth or brush to clean the front bumper, side mirrors, and rear areas where the sensors are located. If the issue persists, restart the car's systems by holding down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for 10 to 15 seconds to reset the touchscreen and control systems. After the reset, test Autosteer again to see if it becomes available. Check for software updates by going to Controls, Software. Check for updates. Install any available updates, as Tesla frequently releases improvements and bug fixes for Autopilot and Autosteer functionality. If the problem continues, there may be an issue with the hardware, such as malfunctioning cameras, radar, ultrasonic sensors, or the onboard computer. In this case, contact Tesla service or schedule a service appointment to diagnose and repair the issue. Finally, remember that Autosteer is a driver assistance feature and may occasionally become unavailable depending on road conditions or system limitations. Always keep your hands on the steering wheel and stay attentive while driving. If this video helped you fix your Tesla Autosteer temporarily unavailable issue, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.